Okay, hello everybody. Haven't posted in quite some time. That was because I was working on, guess what? Libbrew 2.0 with one small thing that got, let's say, the web version is now cancelled. Yes, I am very sorry for all the non-Mac users, but now the app supports more compatibility and there are some upcoming features and some features we've added. So let us get started. First, let's just go back to the new logo. You can just witness this logo either by downloading the app, link will be revealed when I go to the channel, or by going to my channel. So let me just go to Libbrew. This is my website, by the way. I'll go through my YouTube channel. Okay, Libbrew YouTube. And then at home you'll immediately notice I've written my normal channel where I mess around. So you know how in my Libbrew channel I posted about the Oli Apple ecosystem union? Well, I thought posting about other tech stuff and my own tech and my own app would be not so organized. So what I did was I decided to link my other channel which I had. This was one of the first channels. I used to play Roblox on this and post videos. You can go check out the old videos over here, and I will be posting more frequently now. This channel I'll only be posting when there's news for the app, and I'll be posting on this channel when I just want to mess around. So I'll be posting more frequently on this in case you want to check in. So then we have the videos. The videos are normal right now, don't worry, this video is going to get posted. Okay, what am I saying? We also have post. I don't know why I'm showing you off YouTube, but I am. And now finally, you can see the new logo over here, and let us go to the website. Also, in case you notice, this is a lovable, so I'm already going to clarify. I am good at making apps, like I know C++, Swift and all of that stuff. But I am terrible at HTML. I know HTML, CSS and all of those website coding and all of those website programming stuff, but I am terrible at making them look good. So I decided to use my own prompt maker to make a good app using Lovable AI. So if you want to visit, now no more the old link. Now we have the new link. You can see it's written improved now because I improved it along with a tiny little smiley face. So libbrew.lovable.app, that is the link. Let's just tap on it. Let it load. Here we have the icon and ta-da! Let's just cross this out. So you can see that our website has gotten a complete redesign from what it was before. Previously, the website was, I'd rather not talk about it. But as you can see, now the website is improved and looks way better with menus. And I tried telling them to make it 2.0, but for some reason, Lovable wouldn't budge. So I kind of just gave up and let it be. Anyways, so here you can download. We have YouTube where you can go to the YouTube, the brew, menu, bookshelf. We'll go to that in a while. And those written downloads for Mac, you'll notice here it's written iOS, iPadOS and macOS. And that's the big news, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this app isn't stuck to Mac only. And if you want to use it, you go to the web. Though sadly, I had to cancel the web version because they were using too much of my credits and it was becoming too messy. And anyways, companies always ask for payment because those corporates are money hungry, as all of us know. It's a fact. So I decided to stick with good old Olama. We can't use Olama on web, that's why. So I decided to stick with good old Olama, the non-corporate organization, and use it for my app. Now, I was planning to use Gemini, but like I told you, corporates like Google and other corporates, they're just money hungry. So I decided to stick with Olama, but in Olama, I have chosen an improved AI. It's still Llama, but it's improved now. So yay. And it also is cross-platform, iOS, iPadOS and macOS. So for whatever iOS and iPadOS users are watching over here, you can now install it. Congratulations. Over here we have the download button, which I won't press because I've already downloaded it and I don't want to take unnecessary space. But just so that you know, when you press the download button, because I'm not an official developer, it will probably not allow you to access the download and you'll have to go into system settings, privacy, blah blah blah, do all of that basic stuff, and then you can use the app. I promise you it's not malware. So let's start with the brew. Takes you over here, menu over here, like it's a literal cafe. Mind you, the name Libbrew comes from library and brew, to brew coffee. Get the point. Bookshelf, and YouTube just takes you to YouTube. My YouTube, to be specific. So now that I have shown you my new site. Also, in case you guys didn't notice, I have boring notch now. No, I mean my notch isn't boring. What? Why do I have BTS? I must be an ad. No way I had BTS. So yeah. So credits to the developers of Boring Notch, because believe me, this thing is actually very useful. Like recently I was just working on one of my projects for my holiday homework, and being able to just drop the files here and then put them into AI was amazing. Okay. And as you can see, Android is coming soon, and for Windows, I'm still thinking about it. But right now I'm working on Android integration. So Android users, stay tuned for 3.0. So here we have the entire site, subscribe, blah, 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 crafted by our residue in Patiala. Now it mentions my location also. Also, I'm 11 years old, update, yippee. So let's go to the actual app, and believe me, you are not ready for the complete overhaul we have done to the app. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look at that. If you go to my first ever video and compare, believe me, this is levels better. Here you can craft a persona. I'll just write age, I am 11. Thank you. Learning style, bio context, I make apps and websites and like TECH, smiley face. Save tag, residue. And now let me just craft a random one. Save tag. Now I just want you to concentrate right over here. I want you to concentrate right over here, which I'm highlighting right now. And notice how this happens. That animation. There are many other life-changing features in this app, making it way better. But for some reason, I just had to appreciate the animations. Because, I mean, these animations are so smooth. I know this, I'm glazing myself. But seriously, you can't disagree with the fact that these animations are the smoothest animations. I mean, look at how it changes. Anyways, and you'll notice now there are not two boxes. Actually, this is another animation which I love. But before we go to the heavenly animation over here, you'll notice that it has more of a library version and all. It looks better basically. So now let's go over here. Here are my tries of making Libbrew, and in case you're wondering if you will see this, no, you won't see this. Actually, this is a new feature called chats. these are all of my test runs I did before I released it. You can see some of them are very recent. Actually, all of them are very recent. I cleared my cache. But basically, in these chats, let's say you're typing something. Like I typed this. I refine. Of course, AI is going to say, what the hell is that? So, and let's say I want to copy my prompt. And you will notice how it comes out. But I'll focus on the animation later. So, oh no, I closed it. Well then, if you close it, open it again, open it, go to chats, and then you just clear. Wait, what? Guys, could you just wait for a second? Hello guys, I am back and now I have fixed it. It was working previously. I don't know why it didn't work now, but what is 1 plus 1? So here, refine. I am so sorry for that thing. So here you can see they've generated this prompt. So I copy, but oh no, I closed it and I didn't copy. Just go over here, go to chats. What is 1 plus 1? Not only will you see what AI has generated, you will also see what prompt you gave, making it very useful. Yes, I know how useful it is. Now let me just show you another good animation. Explain addition for a 12th grader. Yes, this is ridiculous, but I have chosen this topic because I have chosen this topic. Refine. And oh, did you just see how that box just popped out? I know this is a whole new level of self-glaze, but these animations are just so good. So yeah, along with the chats version, we also have this, and along with the design rehaul, these good new animations which I want to eat right now, and the best feature yet, chat feature, because this is very useful. Like if your computer shuts down, I don't know why it would, but you can imagine a situation where you would definitely need this. Okay. So other than this design overhaul, these animations, I think I've already mentioned, but it still uses OVERHAUL. I'm planning to go to Gemini soon. I tried it even, but like I told you, copyrights are greedy. But I have actually updated it from OVERHAUL 3.1 to OVERHAUL 3.2, making it way better. So now yeah. So yeah, that is basically all about the new app. If you want to install it, like I said, you will just have to go to my site where you can download it. I'll just download it for you guys. It comes in a zip, and you can also go to my YouTube channel from here, where you can view new videos I will post. And if you don't want to hear me yap about my app constantly and want to see me do something personally on my own, which I like, you can just go to my own channel. Like I know I've discussed about my app now, but I just thought I'd show you a few masterpieces I made. Let's start. Also, these are very old. I haven't posted in this channel in quite a long time. You can see me working a bit with my inventions. God, this is cringe. So let's go back. Roblox. God. Robloxian quote be like, where I go to one of my quote games and yeah. Remember when Roblox didn't look like a corporate? I won't even say it. Saying it makes me feel so sad, to be honest. Like, why Roblox? Why? Why the hell did you remove classic faces? And I'm genuinely annoyed by this. I am not saying this because there's hype. I am genuinely annoyed and I can't even explain. So, yup. There it is over here. I'll just go over here. And this guy is saying some cartoony type language. We also have TSBG, the strongest battleground. This is my favorite game, and actually right after this I'll still have more free time, thankfully. So I will post a video right after I post this video. I won't edit this video because whenever I edit this video, for some reason they feel worse. I'll keep this video the same. But then I will go to this. I'll upload a new video on Roblox where I'll probably play the strongest battlegrounds, because even though it's lost hype, I still like this game so much. Also, that is Joystick Journey over there. He just went out of camera. My best friend. Cool. So yup, that is it. And bye bye.